Hi, little artists! Are you ready to climb up your imagination? Today at Toddlers Art Hub, we're going to learn how to draw a wooden ladder. It's super fun and easy. Let's go! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take your black marker. Let's draw one long vertical bar on the left side. That's one side of our ladder. Now, draw another vertical bar on the right. Great job! Time to draw the steps of the ladder. Let's draw 5 horizontal bars connecting the 2 vertical bars. These are the steps we climb on. Now let's make it look like real wood. Draw some lines and swirls on the bars. That's the wood texture.
La da 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 dee.
Looks awesome already. Let's draw some grass around the base of the ladder. It's standing on the ground, right? Let's make it look natural. Yay!
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now it's time to make it pop. Go over the outlines and make them bold and sharp. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Let's bring it to life with colors. First, color the ladder. We're using different shades of brown to make it look like real wood. Now, let's add some dark brown for the shadow areas. Wow, it looks 3D. And finally, let's color the grass green. Woohoo! You did an amazing job today. Your ladder looks so real and wooden. If you had fun drawing with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time at Toddlers Art Hub. Keep drawing, keep smiling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.